What's up YouTube? It's Average Mike back for another Truck Life video. It's been a long time since I did one of these, but it's July 25th and I'm going to take you guys for a ride along. Yeah, it's going to be a long day, and it's 12:45 in the morning. I just got up like 15 minutes ago. I don't even know, is it 12:30 in the morning or is it night? Anyways, I just rolled out of bed like a wet noodle. Yeah, just leaving the house right now. We'll pick this up again when we get to that yard that I'm working out of. Show you what I'm driving right now. Yeah, here we are at the company's yard in Commerce City, Colorado. Yeah, that was a nice 20-minute drive from Federal Heights. Yeah, just giving you a rough idea what I'm driving. That's a Kenworth T680. Yeah, I guess what we're going to call today right along with Average Mike, a day in the life, a day in truck life. Yeah. What should we go with? A day in truck life or a ride along with Average Mike? Kind of leaning toward the truck life thing. Yeah, we'll figure it out later. And we can go park the pickup truck and we'll do a quick walk around. Yeah, let's get this hood open and get started on this walk around here. Yeah, that's to release that real nice, pretty cattle guard here. Yeah, pull this. And I'll launch this one and look it open the hood. Okay, it was stuck on something. Alright. Pop that into place so it'll close when I'm done. Shake the bands. It has enough coolant. Actually, this is really clean. No, I didn't pee on the ground. It's been raining. Yeah, everything looks good over here. Wait. What's leaking there? Oh, okay. Oh, that's just that rain gutter up there. Alright. Had me going for a second there. And check the oil. Oil's good. Okay. We're going to close the hood and get the lights turned on. Put the cattle guard back up. Yeah, doing Truck Life as a series was kind of forced to an end when I lost the last job, and these guys don't have me living in the truck quite as much. Yeah, these guys have me driving to Salt Lake City, staying in a hotel for about 29 hours, and driving back to Denver. That's not nearly as much time in the truck as I was doing during the Truck Life series. Let me stop. Yeah, I gotta get these lights on. Yeah, that one's working good. That's good. That one's up there working right. Good over here. Good over here. Yeah, look at that. Compressed natural gas running this truck. That works about as good as a rubber crutch. Yeah, tires are okay. Mud flaps there. It's got its DOT tape on it. Yeah, it looks like the brake, turn signals, and run lights work back here. Turn signal works. Running light and turn signal works. Tires good. There's a mud flap back here. DOT tape all the way down the trailer. And them lights up there work. Alright. Yeah, they had to replace the door in this trailer because I broke it once. Yeah, that light works. That light works. Mud flap. There's the DOT tape on it. Okay, tires. How much fuel do I have? 3,000 PSI. Man, that's weird. How did that much leak off? I put in about 3,600 PSI this morning. Well, yesterday morning. I don't even know anymore. For the last time I got in. Yeah, I'm here at my pickup. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to take you inside here. These people really don't like cameras coming in, so I'll have to catch up with you on my way out. I go and put my mask on because well, they won't let me in and get loaded without it. You know, if I was thinking about this recently. If the mask was kind of a thing back when I was still single, that would have been an equalizer for gargoyles like me. I'll catch up with you guys on my way out. Yeah, truck's loaded. I'm ready to head up to Salt Lake City. I'm going through Wyoming. But first I'm going to stop at the first 7-Eleven and see how much they like my new mask. Yeah, there's really not much to look at until the sun comes up. So I'll turn the camera back on. Probably about 3 hours. Let's go with that. It's about 5:30 in the a.m. here in Wyoming. The sun's just starting to come up. So I'm about to put my headset on. This way I can talk to myself and nobody knows. Yeah, see that? Looks like I'm talking to somebody on the phone, even though I'm not. I'm about to put the phone up in the windshield so you can enjoy all this Wyoming. Yeah, look at all this Wyoming out here. Oh radio signal just ran out like 10 miles back. I won't have any radio to listen to for the next 100 miles. I'm almost considering stopping this to put on a podcast. Look at all that Wyoming out there. Yep, lots of bugs on the windshield too. Windshield pizza. Yeah, just pulled into this truck stop for lunch, spent most of it in the bathroom. Yeah, I don't even know what I ate to do that, but I was just kind of deciding how much money I have to spend to cover the difference. Woo! Yeah, then wash my hands afterwards. Man, that automatic sink. Yeah, I swear somebody's messing with me. I was waving my hand there, I almost gave up, gave the thing a finger, and then it worked. And then there was no hot food to be found in there. So, I ended up just getting some donuts. Yeah, I think the hot food thing is probably probably these truck stops getting revenge on me from blowing up their microwaves with them burritos when I was younger. Time for me to get back to work. But before I get back to work, had to do that. Yeah, there's something up ahead here on Interstate 80, Wyoming, pretty close to the Utah state line. There's just something out here that I always wanted to get a shot of, but never. Today I'm gonna get it. For this ride-along video, it just seems right. I kind of have to have this in here. Hopefully I'll be able to get it right. It's coming up about a mile. Hopefully we'll be able to see it. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Oh, there it is. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully, there it is. Yeah, liquor and fireworks store. Yeah, every time I see that, I'm thinking, okay, only in America could you have that. So that deserves a USA chant. Oh crap! I don't even think I got it, but. Hopefully I got it. I'll find out when I edit this later. A day in truck life. We're kind of toward the end of the ride-along portion of this video, and had to pull into here. It's a little rest area, Interstate 80, about 25 miles west of the Wyoming state line in Utah. This is just too, scenery here is just, this is just too nice not to add this in, you know. The next section will be Salt Lake City. Yeah, I'm on my way out to the industrial areas. Get unloaded, fuel the truck, drop it off, and get to the hotel. Yeah, just pulling into Salt Lake City right now. Look at this view. I think that's why people live here. Yeah, it's a big bucket of chicken. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I didn't film putting the trailer on the door, because Yeah, I still look like an amateur once in a while doing that, and this was one of them times it took like 5 or 6 pull-ups to get the trailer in the door right. Yeah, yeah, I'm back at the hotel now. Unfortunately, the charger in the truck stopped working, or at least the cigarette lighter thing, and hopefully it was the cigarette lighter in the truck and not my charger. So I ended up not being able to shoot the showing you how to fuel natural gas trucks, and parking the truck at the yard, and any of the ride to the hotel. Sorry about that, nothing I could do. Now, I'm gonna work on this video game that getting toward completion right now for the next couple of hours, and then I'm gonna get a shower and get a nice long nap. No, don't worry, I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you me in the shower. This isn't that kind of channel. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Actually, there's that smiley face with some broken teeth down over here somewhere. Go ahead and click on that. You'll automatically be subscribed to my channel. There it is. Come on. Come on, click on it. Yeah, let me turn that off for a second. Click on it. Go ahead. You know you want to. Anyways, like the video, mash the thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. Oh, don't forget that hit that share button. I know I forget to say that sometimes, but it's right about. Yep, there it is, right there. Okay, yeah, go ahead and click on that. Let other people know about my videos. Yeah. You got any suggestions, anything you want to see in future videos, you go ahead and leave that in the comments. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.